Minkon Ltd's expertise is in the manufacture of products for high temperature and harsh environments and forms part of the Minkon International Group, a key supplier to the demanding iron and steel industry. It has extended its range of brands through acquisition and development, using its expertise to bring solutions for difficult applications. Fortafix is a renowned brand of adhesives, sealants and coatings for extreme environments and uses extensive facilities to supply a wide range of products and volumes to meet customer requirements. The TexForm facility incorporates automated pressing, forming and assembly equipment. The ranges of textile-based heat shields, gaskets and filtration products are produced to the highest quality, custom-made design. As a developer and manufacturer, Minkon can design and produce branded and white-label products. The Minkon team has the expertise and experience to meet customers' specific needs. Product and service quality are at the heart of Minkon, with operations geared to precise industrialized manufacturing. We employ stringent processes and quality-tested materials, supported by ISO certification, to ensure a superior product and service.